Hello, gentlemen. Maybe like one or two ladies. Oh my f***ing gosh. Oh my. Oh, that MGW. Wow, that is so notchy. That is so good. Wow, those wipers pristine. Whew, it feels so good to be back in this. Oh my god. I really missed this car. So, dyno sheet, baby. Let's whip her out here. I cannot f***ing believe how much it put down. It says max power at 264.59 and max torque at 306.22. Now that seems pretty f***ing high to me, but because I don't have injectors or anything. Huh. Alright, good deal. Yeah, I mean, she feels good. The shifter. It's tight, dude. So just so you know, this is the MGW short throw shifter. I have the race handle on it, and the race handle's pushed down pretty low, so it's probably like a 37% reduction, but I mean, it is notchy as hell. Like, look at this. That's it. God. That is crazy. I mean, that's night and day over stock. It's so good to be in this thing. I mean, yeah, she feels good. It feels like the same car. The issue, I literally hate myself, was the throttle screw came undone, and I don't know why I just like didn't think to check that. Like, I'm such a f***ing idiot. I can't really like beat myself up too much because, you know, it's whatever now. I mean, it's done, it's over, but I'm glad I did get it tuned to this intake. Anyway, so it was previously tuned to the old intake, that shitbox SR Performance one that I had on the car. So now, obviously the JLT is what got me the extra power, but 10 wheel? Really? Oh, I knew I was gonna scrape. I don't really have anything to say. Like, she's back. I mean, she feels good. We're doing good. So yeah, the only difference was it was tuned to the JLT and those, I guess, quote-unquote new sensors. That was literally the only difference versus the other tune that it had on it. But I am glad that it did get, you know, tuned to this intake, just because first it was a cold air intake versus a ram intake. That one was tune required. Oh, looks like Mike's revving the Lambo. Alright, let's go, people. I got a car show to scrape at. It's a decent turnout, man. I don't know where to park. These meets are always pretty good.
Yeah, it looks like there's a lot of people here.
Yeah. Honestly, the last one, I think there was more people. Like, it was the whole way to that Red Lobster. I didn't know there was a Red Lobster there. Just thought I fit in so well. Damn, whose car is this? It's sexy as That is insane.
Check it out.
Hey, nice car, man. I like it.
Thank you.
Oh, shit. Yeah, that's gorgeous. Makes me want to sell my car and buy an R8. Thank you. Thank you. I know I cannot afford that. Oh, this boy needs bagged. That boy needs bagged. Bagged and
Okay,
tagged.
if you made that look like pink, that would be so cute.
Oh, okay. No. I would totally buy one of these Gen SS's. They're so sick. God, listen to that chop. Nice little 4-cylinder we got here. I love the BMW bronze wheels with the black paint. Classy. He's got some money into this. Love these Brahms. So I think these are the Elites. I want to get these for the Mustang. I think they look super nice in like a beige 3-valve. Got some meat in the back. RS3. This is interesting. On some roadies, eh? Oh, wow. Look at that fitment right there. I think this is factory paint, but this is like a dolphin nardo, like a dolphin gray. It's super nice. That interior, super driver focused. Those are nice wheels. Got guitar Mageddons. Can't even imagine that much power in a car. I'm over here geeking about my 265 horsepower. Ooh, little GT3 action. I'm with that. Busa. Yeah, that is weird.
It's like reliving.
This is nice though. You like this color?